fans. Today we are diving into a story that has rocked the world of boxing and ignited a fierce debate about fairness in sports. Meet Imane Khalif, an Algerian boxer who has found herself at the center of a gender controversy that has shaken the 2024 Paris Olympics. Iman is a talented athlete who has represented Algeria on the global stage, including the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. But it's her participation in the Paris Olympics that has sparked a firestorm of controversy. Questions have been raised about her gender equality and gender eligibility to compete in the women's category. The controversy erupted after Iman failed a gender eligibility test as the 2023 World Champions, leading to her disqualification. However, she managed to secure a clearance certificate from the International Olympic Committee to compete in Paris. The decision has ignited a heated debate about the inclusion of athletes with differences of sexual development in women's sports. While the IOC has its regulations, many argue that they are not sufficient to guarantee fair competition. The Iman Khalif case has brought to the forefront the complexities of gender in sports. It's a topic that demands careful consideration and a nuanced approach. While we celebrate athletes like Iman for their dedication and talent, ensuring a level playing field for all women is equal important. As the dust settles on the Paris Olympics, the Iman Khalif controversy will continue to be a subject of discussion. It's a reminder that sports, while a platform for excellence, also reflect the societal challenges we face.